Wish to detoxify your body in a natural way without using any chemicals? Make this drink! It's really easy to prepare with the ingredients you might already have at home. Let's start with the first ingredient, carrots. Carrots are really good for your body. They're packed with fiber, which keeps your digestion running like a clock. They're filled with vitamin A that keeps your eyes sharp and your skin glowing. And carrots have antioxidants that fight inflammation and protect your body from toxins. Isn't it great that something so simple can be so good for you? If you have some carrots at home, you already have the perfect base for our cleansing drink. And by the way, where are you watching this video from today? I hope you're doing amazing. Hang on, guys, because this recipe has only just started and you're going to love the result. And before proceeding, please make sure that you hit the subscribe button so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. Every subscription helps our community grow, and I'm very thankful to all of you who have subscribed already. I wish you all strong health, happiness, and unlimited energy every single day. Let's stay in contact and support each other on the journey to better health. Now let's move on to the next powerful ingredient, parsley. You might think of parsley as just a garnish on the edge of your plate, but it is actually a nutrient powerhouse. It's full of vitamin C to strengthen your immune system, vitamin K to keep your bones strong, and antioxidants that allow your body to fight off harmful toxins. Parsley is also a natural diuretic, which helps your kidneys get rid of excess fluids and flush your body clean. And it makes your breath fresh, not a bad side effect, right? Adding parsley to our detox drink will make it not just healthier, but also more flavorful and refreshing. Have you ever tried making a parsley smoothie or adding it to your morning juice? It's such an easy step, yet what a difference. Just imagine feeling lighter, more energetic, and knowing you're doing something amazing for your body every single day. Bear with me, because the next ingredient will surprise you even more. Add even more power to our detox drink with ginger and beetroot. First, ginger. This little root is a superhero for your body. It reduces inflammation, helps with digestion, and boosts your immune system. Whenever you're feeling bloated or sluggish, ginger is just what you need. It warms you from the inside out and makes your stomach work better. And it also gives our drink a nice spicy kick. So it's not only healthy, it's also really tasty. And hey, Race, an interesting fact. Ginger has been used in traditional medicine for thousands of years all over the world. There must be something to it, right? And next, onto beetroot, that beautiful, deep red vegetable that's simply bursting with goodness. Beetroot is famous for its liver support and blood circulation properties. It helps your body naturally detox and gives you an amazing energy boost. If you're feeling tired or sluggish a lot of the time, beetroot can be your new best friend. It's packed with iron, folate, and antioxidants, which make you feel alive and full of energy. Have you ever tried fresh beetroot juice? It's sweet, earthy, and so good for your heart and blood vessels. Beetroot and ginger combined are a match made in heaven. Warming, energizing, cleansing. Your body will thank you for this delicious treat. And hey, are you still with me? Let me know in the comments where you're listening from and how you're feeling today. I love to hear from you. Now that we have all these amazing ingredients ready, I add 1 liter of water and blend all this together until smooth and nice. Then I gently strain the mixture through a fine sieve to get a pure and rich drink. It's so easy and looks beautiful too. This detoxifying drink is to be drunk slowly, 1 glass daily for 3 weeks. Just 1 glass a day and you will be amazed at how much better you will feel. Just keep it in the fridge where it will stay fresh for 3 days. Then just blend up another batch and keep the good energy flowing. Small changes like this every day can make huge differences in how we feel. Hey, race to happiness and good health.